Good morning, Mark Drew, Mr. Drew, Mark Anthony Drew, at Mark Drew Speaks, with your morning motivation. Today, I am that I am. You know, the classic. And that's motivation for me. I use that one to get me through a lot. And if you're not familiar with that one, that's biblical. That's a Bible verse, and it links to Exodus 3:14. To me, it's magical. I share it a lot. I am that I am. And the backstory: Moses is climbing up the mountaintop, and this is where he's speaking with God and asks God for his name. And God's response: I am that I am. you know, that's beautiful. And it implies unlimitless, like, potential. To put anything else in that position would put a limit, would put a label. I am that I am is I just am. And it's in 3.14. That's pi. That describes a circle. What? A circle? So it comes full circle back around? So you mean I have to reflect upon this? I am. That's amazing. That's good news. That's powerful. This means that I have the ability to become what I want to become today. It was written, as you believe, so unto you. As you believe in your dream today. Believe in your vision today. I know the world is heavy and it's going to try to hold us back, but we can do it. We cannot believe what it is said about them. I am not lazy. I am not tired. I am not unable. I am capable. I am not going to be held back. I am not going to slow down. I am going to achieve my dream. I am going to help the world. I am going to change the world. I am that I am today. What are you? That's the morning motivation. It starts in here, guys. It starts in here. You have to change the way you believe today. Today. Each day. Each moment. Because it's easy to be swayed and distracted. There's a lot of signals. You just go on any social media feed, turn on any TV, and it's like, whoa, who am I supposed to be? And you can feel like lesser, feel lacking, when really you're abundant. Any day you can wake up is pretty abundant, because you're abundant with life, you're abundant with breath. And today you're abundant with the responsibility of being the best you can be. All right, that's my morning motivation to you. It's time to go inside. It's getting chilly down here in Florida. All right, it's like 50 degrees, man. That's Florida cold. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the page if you have not done so already. Check out Mark Drew Speaks on Instagram, Mark Drew Speaks 1 on the Twitter, and I'm out.